The Mag 7 are locked in a compute arbitrage trap they can't solve with capital alone. While the retail market chases AI software, the infrastructure behind it is reaching 100% saturation. If you aren't looking at decentralized compute, you're betting on a grid that is already failing. Azure and AWS currently control 67% of the cloud monopoly. But here's the number nobody is talking about: $120 billion. That is the projected annual spend for AI compute by 2026. The problem? Centralized data centers are hitting a physical wall. They have the GPUs, but they don't have the interconnection queues to power them. This is where Akash Network moves from a crypto project to a structural necessity. Akash isn't building new data centers. It's indexing the world's idle compute. We're talking about an 85% cost reduction compared to the incumbents. This isn't just cheaper cloud, it's the only way to bypass the 7-year waitlist for electrons in Northern Virginia. If you're still valuing AI projects based on their LLM performance and not their energy arbitrage, you're missing the alpha. I've mapped the full Akash supply dynamics in this week's Strategic Intelligence Report. Link is in the description. The DePIN Crypto 2026 narrative is often dismissed as hype. But the physical bottlenecks in AI energy are making decentralized compute the only viable escape hatch. For mid-cap AI firms, Akash is the frontrunner in this arbitrage. The system is saturated, the queue is long. The question is, who owns the compute when the grid goes dark? Full briefing at wendyliang.substack.com. Briefing closed.